Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I'm going to talk about InfinitUP, be doing the price prediction, and give you guys some information about where to find information about this. We're on CoinMarketCap, and this thing is trading about really small, 0.002 of a penny, really tiny. So this is a good thing because we're really getting to this company when it's really cheap. So it's crypto when it's really cheap. It's not as cheap as it used to be, but since this massive rally and it's in slowing down, this could be a very good time to start hodling this coin. I could not find a way to trade this coin, and you know guys, I prefer to trade coins over hodling. But if I'm going to hodl, I would be main thing, buying on periodic times, kind of like dollar cost averaging in, and based on that, my price target would be just a previous easy high, and that would be about the 0.009 of a penny. I'm sorry, 0.009 of a dollar. So this is how I measure it out, because it's very difficult to see the price prediction when you can't really look at the charts in a very descriptive way. But if you're going to hodl, this is the plan for it. Stair step your way into the trade. Remove emotions. Have a plan when you exit. For me, I'm going to hodl this maybe $100 a week, $100 every few days, $100 every pay period. Cool. When it hits the 0.009, start exiting your position, or start slowly exiting, and then or buy less when it goes higher. So let's find out some more information about this. Let's go to their website. All right, here's InfinitUP. I'll have this in the description box below, so please check it out. So what is it? InfinitUP is an R&R token, rewards and rebates, with a guaranteed price floor and a BNB distributed dividends directly into our holders' wallets, which is really cool. I like that. Our project is to create a totally new gaming ecosystem linked with cryptocurrencies and establish InfinitUP for e-commerce and transactions. Cool. That's a little bit different than I've seen before. Has some video game aspect to it. All right, pretty cool. Now, guys, let's head to my website, AndreJMcclendon.com. So if you guys want to find some more about what I do, if you want to learn more about trading, forex, cryptocurrencies, head to my website or contact me on here or Facebook, and we can have a conversation about how my services can help you out. So this website, you guys have indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5, which you can use for trading cryptocurrencies, or you guys can just go to gold and silver or look at some stocks. Well, that's the video, guys. I hope this gave you guys some value. Hope you guys figure out more about cryptocurrencies. But please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.